morning, everyone. My name is Chrissy. This is Everyday Tidbits. Welcome back. I just woke up and I have a headache. It's probably because I had a really good time last night with my best friend and her family and my daughter. We went over there in the morning and in the afternoon, I should say, and it was her town-wide garage sale day. And usually I'm not like a garage sale person. However, she lives in a really nice town and it's a shore town, and I was looking forward to seeing what kind of things we could possibly find in an area like that. And I was pretty excited. I found some things. I will show you what I bought in a little while, and I think I made out pretty well. But we started the morning out, my daughter and I. It was a very nice morning. I woke up, I took a shower, I got dressed. I'll show you my outfit of the day that I wore yesterday. Yesterday was just a great day. My daughter and I went to breakfast. We went to a diner in the morning. We had some breakfast, and then my friend hasn't woken up yet. Usually we have early days when we hang out, and I thought she'd want to be up early because of the garage sales, but she slept in. So my daughter and I took a ride over to the water. There is a local park by us on the water. It's on the bay side, but it is beautiful, and it was a gorgeous day. So my daughter and I took a walk. There's a path, like a trail that runs along the bay, and it was just beautiful scenery, beautiful weather. So we took a nice walk, and so we had our breakfast, we went for a walk, we hung out on the swings for a little bit, and then we headed up to my friend's. And she has a little cute vintage Volkswagen Bug that she had just bought, that her and I and her husband got to adventure to all the garage sales in, because she wanted to take the convertible that day. It was absolutely such a good time. I got sunburn, but I did find some things out in the garage sale. We rode around in the Bug. It was really cute. We pet all the doggies, and then after that we came back, we got the kids, and then we went to her town's local celebration day. A lot of the towns around here do that. We have our celebration days, like our town has a day, their town has a day, and it was their town's day. So we went out, and they had vendors and a band, and it was fun. It was nice. We ate fudge. I mean, I know I'm doing Weight Watchers, but I had a little piece of fudge. I shared it with my daughter, and I counted it in my points. So when we first got there, things were moving a little slowly, so we decided to leave and go out to dinner. So we went to this burrito place, 10th Avenue Burrito in Belmar, New Jersey, and I ordered a blackened halibut burrito, and it was delicious. It wasn't covered in cheese or sauce, and it was light, and it was really good. And I drank a coconut margarita, which was delicious, and that's probably why I have a headache today, because I'm not doing as many alcoholic drinks because they're high in points. But it was so worth it. And then they had fireworks, so I will show you clips of all that. And I'm just gonna sit here and do some editing, drink my coffee, and I'm trying not to be overwhelmed by my extensive to-do list today. So, but anyway, thank you so much for joining me. If you could, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post. Follow me on my other platforms, everyday_tidbits on Instagram and Facebook at Everyday Tidbits, because I would love for you to be a part of my social media family. Now let's get into my day. We started our morning out by going to the local diner for breakfast. I wound up getting a garden veggie omelet made with egg whites and turkey sausage. Unfortunately, did not eat the potatoes because they were high in points, but my daughter got a plate of pancakes. And then we went to that park by the water that I was telling you about. It was so nice out, and this trail was beautiful. This is my outfit of the day. It was so nice to get back into these pants again. They hadn't fit me for a while. Just thinking we would do this. We are out garage sale shopping today with my bestie and her husband. I just need to show you this cute little car that we're in. Look at this car! It's a vintage Volkswagen Bug. It's so cute. It was such a beautiful day, low humidity, the sun was out, it was gorgeous. It was the perfect day to drive around in a convertible. Look how cute this car is. It was just such a nice day driving up and down the beach coast and checking out all the garage sales. Out to dinner that night to 10th Avenue Burrito in Belmar, New Jersey. This is a coconut margarita. It was so good. I ordered myself a blackened halibut burrito, which was perfect because there was no cheese or sauce smothered in it, and it was nice and light. It was delicious. And then we went to Lake Como Day, where my daughter got these churros, and they were really, really good. And now for my garage sale finds. I bought this Daisy Fuentes dress new with tags. The tags were still attached. The lady said she never wore it. It retails for $50, and like I said, is a Daisy Fuentes dress. I got it for $5. And I paired it here with these boots that I bought from Walmart. They are just thigh-high boots. You can also wear this dress with heels. You can wear it with tights. I just love the versatility of it. It reminds me of a 60s style shift dress.
We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed.
I found this coat at my first stop. Something about it just called to me. I really like it. It's a faux fur. It looks black, but I'm convinced that it's a dark navy. I'm not really sure, but I love it. It's cozy, it's warm, it's in great condition, and I got it for $20. I did look up the brand, and Macy's sells it. It's an Alfani. It starts at $115, and I've seen them as high as $300. But like I said, I got this for $20. And when I got home and went into the pockets, I actually found a brown leather pair of gloves in the pockets. So bonus.
Ain't no delay, gotta let it go. A gentle.
This next dress I found for $3. It was never worn. The lady said she never wore it. It was on the rack, and I was like, how cute is this for summer, early spring, even the fall, where you could just, layer it with a jean jacket or a cardigan. It's so cute and light. I just love it, and you can't beat it. $3. That's what I got this dress for.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let it go.
I don't know what it was about this jacket that I needed to have it. It was on a rack, and it is a Jaclyn Smith. I found it retailing on Poshmark for anywhere from $30 to $50. I could not find the price of it new, but like I said, it is a Jaclyn Smith. It was on the rack. This lady was so sad to let it go. She said she loved this coat and she only wore it once, but she had no place to wear it. So she sold it to me for only $5, and I thought, woof, I need to have this coat. I had the most fantastic day with my best friend from 3rd grade. This is her. Shout out, Jamie. I love you so much. I don't know where I'd be without you. But we had the most fantastic day, and then we wrapped up the end of the night with the Lake Como Day fireworks, and I was quite impressed. They were about 20 minutes long, and they did not spare any expense on these. We had such an awesome time. So I'm going to wrap up this video for tonight and let you see the fireworks that we saw. And I just want to thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate all of your support. If you could, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notifications so that you're notified every time I post. Follow me on Instagram at everyday_tidbits and Facebook at everydaytidbits, because I would love for you to be a part of my social media family. I hope everyone's being safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Don't get lost.
That was a long pig.
Ah, the grand finale should last. There we go.